I know you are thinking that I burned the orange, but actually not. This is how it's supposed to look like. Recently, there are so many people got pink eye and throat infection, and after the medicine, still nothing can save your throat. So this is a quick, easy recipe gonna save your throat. 200 degrees on air fry. Oops, sorry, a little bit dirty. On air fry for 10 minutes. And when it's hot and fresh, peel off the skin and eat it as soon as possible. And you can eat as many as you want throughout the day to save your throat. Good luck.